Hi there, fellow YouTubers and Mahindra tractor owners. I just want to make a supplemental video to a video that I made already with the Mahindra cold start, or when the Mahindra tractor is not starting. What I found was that you can tighten down the aluminum globe plug bar, and I've done that several times because it loosens up. So before you go and take it to the service dealer or buy any parts or buy any glow plugs, go ahead and check my other video, and I'll show you on this video too. There's I believe it's a 9mm bolt, and it needs to be tightened down. The problem is that I tightened it down too often and a little too tight, and it actually broke the bar. So I was actually tightening the bolts and it still wouldn't start right. Well, I undid the bolts, and I could tell that with too much torque on the tiny bolt, it actually broke the little aluminum bar. So just to give you a heads up, I'm going to go ahead and, while I'm doing my routine tractor maintenance, I'm going to show you what's going on with that bar, how it can break. While I have it all apart, I figured I'd go ahead and make a supplemental video to my original video about the Mahindra not starting and the glow plug issue. So let me go ahead and show you, and we'll take a look at it. We'll go over here and let me get a pointer right here. You can see right there, there's the bolt, and there's that aluminum bar, and there's the 3 bolts that go all the way to the back. There's the other bolt right there. So it's 3 that hook up to that. You need to tighten those down if it's not starting. And then there's and you notice it's not starting in cold weather. You need to tighten these bolts down. The problem I did, or the thing that I did, was I tightened them down too tight because they were still coming undone. So I didn't want them to come undone again. Well, I tightened them too tight. What happens is this thin aluminum bar will break. You can see right there how it's broke. It will not. It'll break all the way through. That bolt sits on top, and it'll push all the way down, and then it'll snap that bar off. So be careful if you find that you're tightening the bolt down and it's still not working. It's because it'll break that, and then it'll slide. This one was slid to the this one was slid a little to the left. It was slid to the left, and it was kind of off. Let me it was kind of off to the it was kind of off to the side like that. Yeah, that's the break right there. It broke, and so I'm gonna have to put some other kind of washer and kind of grip it down a little bit better. But if that helps, then great. You know, you don't have to spend money on any parts or anything. Just don't tighten them down too much. Just be cognizant and aware of how thin this metal bar is that connects all these glow plugs together. That helps, and then great. Y'all have a good day.